everyone, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me, and as you can see, my house is extremely messy today. It had been a crazy busy last few days, and then the day before I filmed this video, I was in town all day long running errands, and I got a full load of groceries, and I got home pretty late in the afternoon, and then once I got home, I had to film another video outside. As you can see, I had all my stuff there sitting by the door, and so I didn't have time to put away all of the groceries. I just put away the cold stuff, left everything else on the table. So yeah, the house was just a mess on this day, and I was so ready to get it all cleaned up. So I was excited to film this video because I just wanted my whole house to be spotless clean again. So I started off my cleaning here in the kitchen, started off by putting all of those groceries away. I also needed to get the whole house spotless clean today because this Saturday I'm having Kyle's 5th birthday party here at the house, and so I'm going to be washing a few windows later, doing a couple of things like that, just getting the house ready for a party. I hate it when my dishes get stacked up this bad, and lately I've been doing a really good job at keeping the dishes under control every day. But like I said, it had been a crazy past couple of days, so it just happened, and sometimes it just happens, and it's okay. It happens to all of us, I guess. I'm the type of person though that just can't stand a messy kitchen. I feel like I can't get anything else done during the day until my kitchen is clean. It's such a good feeling to have a nice clean kitchen, and you feel motivated to cook and things when your kitchen is actually clean. And I'm saying all of this as I have a giant pile of dishes and my kitchen is a disaster, but like I said, it just happens some days and it's okay. But I love being able to keep a nice clean kitchen every day. Once I had the countertops cleaned off and the table cleaned off and all of the dishes washed and put into the dishwasher, dried and put away, then it was time to clean off the countertops. And to clean off the countertops, I used the Meyer's all-purpose spray, and this is in the mint scent that I'm going to be using. And you can still get a bunch of free stuff from Grove Collaborative right now with my link down below. I have everything typed up down below that you can get for free, and included is Meyer's products, so definitely go and check it out. Grove Collaborative is where I get all of my cleaning products, as I've said before. So after I spray that all-purpose cleaner on the countertop, then I will get my rag and wipe down the counter and the stove and the table. And I love spraying that all-purpose cleaner on the counter before I wipe it off. I just spray it on, let it sit for like a minute, and stuff comes off of the counter so much easier than it would if you just tried to wipe it off with a wet rag. And as you saw there, that little stinker was trying to blow out the candle that I just lit. That's like his new thing. I probably can't put a lighted candle on the table anymore because he just climbs up on the bench and tries to blow it out. Now I'm back cleaning my bedroom, made the bed, tidied up the floor, and lastly I vacuumed the floor, and then I moved on into my master bathroom and got that cleaned up. The countertop really needed wiped off, and this cordless vacuum that I'm using is from Amazon. I always have it linked in my Amazon storefront page, and you can go to my Amazon storefront with the link down below in the video description box. Next, I moved on to cleaning up the living room area, tidied up the floor, and then I wanted to vacuum everything. And I had all this stuff over here by the door because, like I said, the day before I had filmed an outdoor video. I was doing a little bit of decorating out on the porch and planting some flowers and stuff. And so, yeah, that's why all that stuff was there. And also, my stuff in the washer had just got done, so I ran over there and put that into the dryer and got another load started in the washer. And then I got busy vacuuming. And if you hear somebody talking here by the mic, it's Owen. He just came over here to see what I was doing. Before I vacuumed the living room, I wanted to get a few windows washed in the main area of the house. I washed a couple there in the living room by the front door, and then I also washed the back door window and the window in the kitchen. After I got the living room vacuumed, Owen was down for a nap, and my husband had to go to bed as well because he had to bale oat hay all night the night before. And so I switched from using the vacuum to using my broom here in the kitchen so that I wouldn't wake anybody up. And then after I got the kitchen floor swept, I got out my mop and I mopped the floor as well. And the mop that I use, I also have linked in my Amazon storefront. I bought that off of Amazon. And the last room that I'm going to clean today is the boys' playroom, and it was a disaster in here. And usually I have the boys help me to clean up. Well, Owen doesn't do too much to help, but I usually always have Kyle help me clean up. But today I just wanted to clean it up by myself because I wanted to go through everything and get this room reorganized so that they could keep it tidied up better. I also wanted to go through their clothes in their dresser, tidy up the closet, just do a bunch of good deep cleaning in here. And I'm also going to be moving this mattress out of the room. Like I had said before, Kyle had been sleeping in here with Owen for a little while because we were seeing how that would go. And we've just decided that we're just going to take a break from it for a while. I'm going to move this mattress out of here today, and we're just going to wait until Owen turns 2. And once he turns 2, we've decided that we're going to buy bunk beds, and we're just going to put the bunk beds in here, and they're just going to officially move in together, and there'll be no more experimenting and seeing if they can sleep together. They're just going to move in together and sleep in here, and we're just going to make it work. That is going to be it for this week's cleaning video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. That's the purpose of these videos, is to inspire you to clean your house. We all need some type of inspiration to keep our house clean because it's a daily chore that definitely gets old after a while. So hopefully these videos are motivational to you. And if you enjoy cleaning videos, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribed. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. You can also head over and follow me on Instagram. I post on there as often as I can. I will see you all in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!